The U.S. president announced a few new measures, starting with, of course, the travel ban. First of all, he praised his administration's early response, saying that the fact that they had imposed that travel ban on travelers coming from China was one of the reasons why they had managed to contain and to keep the number of cases in the U.S. To a minimum. And so now they have expanded that travel ban. They're now banning people from coming in if they have traveled to Iran in the past 14 days. So those people will not be allowed to enter the United States. On top of these travel bans on China and on Iran, they have also raised the travel advisory to level 4 for two countries, two specific regions in those countries. That's Italy and South Korea. So that means that Americans are urged not to travel to those hardest hit areas in Italy and South Korea. And that is one of the biggest parts of the strategy of the Trump administration, which is to try to prevent any people infected with the coronavirus from coming into the United States. That said, this is not doing anything for the community spread, as they call it, which is how the virus is spreading here in the United States. There are now 4 cases suspected of being community spreads, which means that they have not been in contact or traveled to areas that are infected. And there is that one death that has been confirmed. So the Trump administration really focusing now on trying to contain the spread of that virus. They have changed their tone quite a bit. This press conference was much different from the one we heard a few days ago, because this time Donald Trump himself was admitting that there will be more cases here in the United States, even though he has again said that the risk to the United States is a low risk and that this spread will be kept to a minimum.